Raindrops tracing down the window. Cafe lights are glowing low. Steam is rising from our coffee. Your soft smile moves so slowly. Sitting at this little table. Quiet moments feeling stable. Rain is falling all around. Hearts are warming in the sound. Softly falling through the night. When I look into your eyes, we don't need to say a word. Everything just feels right. Rain sounds and your warmth tonight. Everything just feels so right. Quiet moments slowly grow in the gentle afterglow. Rain sounds and your warmth so close. Every little feeling shows. Even silence feels brand new when I'm sitting here with you. City lights blur in the rain. Soft reflections on the pane. You reach slowly for your cup. Warmth between us fills it up. Your hand brushes into mine. Time is slowing down in time. In this quiet little place, love is moving at its pace. Falling rain outside the door. Hearts are closer than before. Every second drifting slow, like a dream we both now know. Rain sounds and your warmth tonight. Everything just feels so right. Gentle feelings start to grow in the quiet candle glow. Rain sounds and your warmth so near. All the world just disappears. Even silence feels brand new when I'm sitting here with you. Even if the rain won't stop, even when the night feels long, I just wanna stay right here, where our quiet hearts belong. No more rushing through the day. We can let the moment stay. Every drop and every sound feels like love is all around. Rain sounds and your warmth tonight. Under soft and golden light. Every second drifting slow, like a place we always know. Rain sounds and your warmth so true. All I want is here with you. Even when the night is through, I'll still feel this warmth from you. Raindrops falling soft and slow. Warmth we only ever know. Quiet night and gentle view. Rain and me and only you.
You walked away without a word. I couldn't even ask you why. My heart still hasn't closed the door, still calling out your name tonight. In this empty space tonight, I'm still searching for your breath. You're the one who disappeared, but I'm stuck here like before. Leftover warmth of the night, still remembering you. In this cold and silent room, only you feel warm and true. Leftover warmth of the night, you're still here somehow. Even as the time goes by, I'm still waiting now. Rain is falling outside on this lonely night again. Memories of you and I slowly wash over me. Your familiar empty seat, I still reach for you somehow. But the silence in the dark is the only thing around. In the moments left behind, I keep won't you disappear? You're the one who walked away, but I'm breaking here. Even if you never come, if I could hold you once again before this night is gone, I just wanna feel you there. Leftover warmth of the night, I still love you now. In this cold and silent dark, you're the only warmth I found. Leftover warmth of the night, you won't fade from me like the time is standing still. You're my memory. In this dark and quiet room, I whisper out your name. Only silence senses me. Nothing feels the same. Leftover warmth of the night, I'm still holding you.
I watch you sleeping quietly, moonlight falling on your face. Wanted time to stop right there, but I knew I couldn't stay. Your fingers wrapped around my hand, like you never let me go. If I stayed another minute, I would've never walked alone.
So I left before the sunrise, before you opened up your eyes. If you saw me breaking down, I would've never said goodbye.
The warmth I left behind still lives inside my soul. Your touch, your scent, your gentle breath are things I can't let go. The warmth I left behind still follows where I roam, even far away from you. Your arms still feel like home.
Rain was falling as I walked, every step was getting hard. Every memory of you left a fracture in my heart. Your empty side of the bed still calling out my name. Even when I'm far from you, nothing ever feels the same.
I still hear your quiet breathing in the silence of the night. Even though I chose to leave, you're still holding me inside. For still the warmth I left behind still lingers on my skin. Your touch, your scent, your everything still pulling me back in. The warmth I left behind, you're still my only place. Even when I close my eyes, I still see your face. If I could turn the time around, I'd stay right there with you, hold you close and never leave, like I wanted to. But love sometimes means letting go, even when it breaks your heart. I left your side that lonely night, but never left your arms. The warmth I left behind still holding on to me. Your voice, your touch, your everything are all I'll ever need. The warmth I left behind, you never fade away. Even though I walked away, I'm still yours today. If you whisper in the dark, maybe I will hear. Even though I'm far away, I'm still always near. The warmth I left behind still lives in me tonight. I tried to walk the other way, pretending I was strong enough, but every night without your voice just felt like breathing wasn't enough. The world kept turning without me, but I was frozen in your name. Every road I tried to take just led me back to you again. They said I shouldn't come back now, that I should leave you in the past, but every second without you felt like my heart would never last. Back to your arms tonight, even if it's wrong. I'd rather lose the world I know than live without your love. Back to your arms tonight, even if I fall, if loving you means losing everything, I still give up it all. City lights were fading slow as tears were falling down my face. Every step I took away just felt like leaving my own place. Your scent still lingers on my skin, your touch still burning in my heart. Even when I tried to run, I never really left your arms. I know this road will break me down, I know I shouldn't turn around, but dying slowly without you hurts more than falling to the ground. Back to your arms tonight, even if I bleed, I'd rather break inside your love and live without your breath with me. Back to your arms tonight, even if I lose, I'm loving you is my last mistake. It's what I'd always choose. If this is where my world will live, and let it end with you, I'd rather breathe inside your love and live without the truth. Even if tomorrow fades and everything is gone, as long as I'm here in your arms, I finally belong. Back to your arms tonight, with nothing left to lose. I left the world behind me now just to come back to you. Back to your arms tonight, even if I fall, I'd rather lose my everything than live without your heart. In the quiet foreign rain, you held me close again. Back to your arms tonight. The world fades away, back in your arms. In the afternoon, soft sunlight stays. We're walking slowly through these days. Your shadow falling next to mine. Everything feels soft in time. Even silence feels so warm with your hand inside my palm. While the world keeps rushing past, We just let the moment last, like time is standing still. When I look into your eyes, we don't need a single word. Everything just feels right at our own pace. You and I, walking slowly side by side. Even little moments shine when I'm with you. Time feels right at our own pace. Warm and close, every little feeling grows. We don't need to move too fast. If I'm with you, this will last. Golden light begins to fade. Still we're walking unafraid. Your soft laughter fills the air. Quiet comfort everywhere. Every step feels light and new. Every road leads me to you. Even when the night comes through, I just wanna stay with you. The sky is turning gold, and your hand fits into mine. Every second passing by feels like slowing down in time. At our own pace, you and I, walking slowly side by side. Even little moments shine when I'm with you. Time feels right at our own pace. Heart to heart, never wanna be apart. We don't need to move too fast. If I'm with you, this will last. Even when the days get long, even when the nights feel cold, I'll be right here next to you, holding on to what we hold. No need to run, no need to chase. We found love in quiet space. Every step just feels so true when I'm walking here with you. At our own pace, you and I, underneath the open sky. Every second feels brand new. Every road leads me to you. At our own pace, soft and slow, more than words could ever show. We don't need to move too fast. I just hope this moment lasts. Walking slowly hand in hand, no more words to understand. Just your warmth and quiet grace. Love is moving at our pace. Love is moving at our pace.